Overview of fixed deposit rates in 2025. Fixed deposit rates in 2025 are close to multi-year highs, creating a great opportunity for investors seeking safe and steady returns. Small finance banks are leading the pack by offering the highest interest rates, significantly outpacing the major public and private sector banks. Knowing where to invest your money can help you maximize your returns while minimizing risk. Small finance banks lead with highest returns. Among small finance banks, Slice Small Finance Bank stands out with interest rates close to 9% on tenures around 18 months. Other small finance banks like Unity, Utkarsh, and Soar are offering above 8% returns, making them attractive options for high-earning yet safe investments. These rates are much higher than those offered by large banks, giving small finance banks a distinct advantage for investors looking to earn more. Large banks and special benefits for senior citizens. Large banks such as Punjab National Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and DCB Bank provide steady returns up to 8.25% on select tenures, while giants like SBI and HDFC Bank offer rates ranging from 6.6% to 7.1% for medium-term deposits. Senior citizens get additional benefits with about a 0.5% higher interest rate in many banks. Notably, senior investors can get up to 9.10% interest from small finance banks, making fixed deposits a competitive choice compared to government schemes. Special tenures, deposit insurance, and investment tips. Banks now offer special tenures like 444-day fixed deposits with higher interest rates designed for short-term investors. However, it's important to understand the terms, such as early withdrawal penalties and compounding rules before investing. Fixed deposits up to 5 lakh rupees with interest are insured by the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation, ensuring safety. To maximize benefits, investors should choose tenure and banks based on their financial goals, risk tolerance, and liquidity needs. Since FD rates are at multi-year highs but may not last long, locking in rates now can provide stable, low-risk returns.